Howdy y'all, the Fishing Man here. Today I want to show you a cool little product I found actually on Amazon. It's these little foam discs here. And what's cool about them is they're actually supposed to help you clean up your tackle boxes. So if your tackle boxes are looking something like this, you got a ton of lures just floating around and whatnot, it makes it really hard to get the lure you want. So with these little discs, you can actually just slide them up. They work with treble hooks, which is nice. Just did this a second ago. Slide them up like that and just stick them so they're not getting caught in everything. So you can do that with all your hooks, and it's supposed to clamp your tackle boxes. So give me just a moment. I'm going to try to do this with all my lures, and I'll see you in just a moment. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this little picture from YouTube. They're not too expensive, and I'll be posting a link down below in the description if you want to know where to find these. Howdy guys, so I'm back. I've placed all these on my lures. It took me only about 10 minutes or so it didn't take me too long. And some of the downsides I can already see are it's a little bit harder to see some of your lures. So if you keep things organized and whatnot, you'll be able to find what you need and when you need it. Now just to detach the stuff, you just simply pull it off the foam and slide it off. Just as easy as that. And then you could put it on your pole and cast it out there and catch some more fish. Now I got a bunch of rooster tails here, and something that's really nice that I like, that if you were to take all these and jumble them all up and whatnot and throw them down, they'd all be tangled, and here they are, they're not tangled at all. So this is a really good product to clean up your tackle box, help you save a little time while you're out there on the water so you're not untangling your lures as much, so that way you can fish a little bit longer. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe to The Fishing Man, and turn on the bell for more notifications.